Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we bring you the biggest beasts and the most luxurious rides on wheels. Today I've got something truly special for you. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. And let me tell you, this isn't just a motorhome. This is a rolling mansion that will leave you speechless. Just imagine, a legendary Kenworth truck transformed into a luxury home that's bigger, bolder, and more powerful than anything you've seen before. From the outside, it looks like a road-dominating machine built to cross continents. But once you step inside, it feels like you've walked straight into a five-star mansion. The front cabin instantly shows off Kenworth's DNA. Rugged design, modern tech, and pure driver comfort. You get plush captain chairs, a panoramic digital dash, and cutting-edge navigation built for long hauls. But that's just the beginning. Step further back and the magic begins. The living room welcomes you with a sofa lounge, a giant 4K smart TV, ambient lighting, and finishes that scream luxury. Every corner is designed to make you forget you're even inside a truck. Move to the kitchen, and you'll find a full-size setup with premium appliances, induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, and more counter space than some city apartments. Yes, this motorhome was built for real living. And wait until you see the bedroom. A king-size bed with luxury bedding, full wardrobes, and private entertainment system. It's basically a hotel suite on wheels. Of course, the bathroom doesn't hold back either. Modern shower, vanity, and high-end finishes make it feel like pure elegance. But here's the real deal: power. Underneath all this luxury sits the heart of a Kenworth beast. A powerful next-gen diesel engine paired with advanced suspension gives you smooth rides across highways, mountains, and even off-grid adventures. This is not just about living large. It's about traveling anywhere without compromise. So is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome just a truck? Or is it a mansion? Honestly, it's both. It's a dream on wheels. Stick around because we've got more insane machines coming your way on Auto Plus. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you love exploring the wildest rides on Earth. Because trust me, this is just the beginning.